Today, I'm going to show you how to connect eBay to QuickBooks Online. Connecting eBay to QuickBooks can help bring your eBay activity into QuickBooks and reduce manual data entry. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, go to the Integrations area. Then select Find Integrations. This opens the app directory. In the search bar, type eBay Connector by Intuit. When the app appears, select it to open the app details page. Take a moment to review the information about the connector and what data it can bring into QuickBooks. When you're ready, click Get App Now. QuickBooks will begin the connection process. Next, sign into your eBay account using your eBay username or email address and password. Then, follow the prompts and click Approve to authorize the connection. Once the connection is complete, your eBay app and imported activity will be available in QuickBooks. You can return to the Integrations area later to review or manage the connection. And that's how to connect QuickBooks Online with eBay in 2026.